Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. My name is Kedevin Bisana. I'm his host.
And hello to everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Hafiz Yudiat Moko as the speaker here, and my last student number ID is 134. And where we are right now?
Right now we are on Yogyakarta City. So before that, I want to tell you, I'm from Surabaya. That you know this hero city, right?
Yeah,
So
and
you for
where am I from? Can you guess? I'm from
UK.
I'm from BSD, and it's located at South Tangerang, which is maybe if you don't know Tangerang, it's close to Jakarta lah.
Okay. So we are both is merantau in the Yogyakarta for studying in UPN Veteran Yogyakarta.
Yes, and right now we're gonna talk about a few difference in the maybe living style or language or
Better.
difference in culture. Yeah.
Better.
So yeah, we're gonna talk about all those things. What are we talking about first?
Okay. First, we are talking about the weather.
Oh, the weather.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it's pretty hot to be honest in Tangerang Selatan. How is it in Surabaya?
Oh, same. In the Surabaya is so very hot, but I surprisingly in the Jogja is cold.
Uh,
But
to be to be specifically correct, it's only cold in the morning. If it's yeah, it's only cold in the morning. So right now it's evening and it's not really cold. So I don't recommend walking to campus here on this hour because you might get sunburned. But you can walk to campus in the morning because it's really cold and you won't get any sweat if you're just only walking. But if it's in my place in Tangerang, if you it's in the morning, it's already hot. Although maybe you feel the weather is cold, but it's actually hot.
okay. I think in Jogja why it's cold because the Jogja is near from mountain.
Oh,
Like
surrounded with the mountains.
Yes,
Oh
Merapi
yeah,
Mountain,
that
right?
affects the weather so much.
Okay. But in our city is not surrounding with mountain, right?
Yeah,
So
it makes the city really really hot.
okay.
And
Next.
I think Jogja takes the win, yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
I like living in Jogja.
Okay, next the food in the Jogja. What do you think?
Food. Personally, I think that there's many different kind of foods here, but cause many people are coming from many cities here, so the local people gotta adapt with the many people culture. So there's already so much fast food here or food that you can find on another city. I don't personally me. I rarely see food, the local food here, Yogyakarta food. Like I rarely see gudeg in the streets. I rarely
Yeah.
see, uh, yeah, local food. I only eat ayam geprek here, which I can find too in my place, Tangsel.
Okay.
Yeah. So difference in food, I think it's not really that significant. What about Surabaya?
Okay, in the Surabaya, I can get the rujak cingur, I can get the rawon, but in the Jogja is like gudeg.
Mm.
Yes, but
But
what local food in BSD?
BSD don't have any local food to be honest, cause it's Jakarta. Yeah, it's fast food or foods that you can find in another city. Foods that have branches like KFC, McD, or local food like Jatinangor chicken, which you can find here too. And yeah, to be honest, I'm bored of the food here. Yeah, maybe there's one or two lah, local food here that I like, but yeah, it's only one or two.
Okay, do you think what different taste from BSD, Surabaya, and Jogja?
What?
Like taste in the Jogja is uh, too sweet.
Oh,
but in
people. Oh yeah, I heard people talking about the, yeah, like that. But it's only affecting the local food, like, you know,
yes, yes,
mie doyok, and
yes,
mie Jawa,
yes,
yeah,
Japanese noodle.
yeah. I agree that it's a little bit sweet, but see, it's only the local food that are affected by. People say that the taste is kind of sweet, but the maybe the fast food chain or the food that have many branches in other city, it doesn't really affect. It still tastes the same as like the other city.
Okay.
Yeah. How about in Surabaya?
In Surabaya is taste is like spicy and salty.
Oh, no, no sweet.
No, no. In
Oh, no
Surabaya no
sweet.
sweet.
Oh.
Okay. So we next to the next topics is the people and their long language,
This is where
language and culture.
this
Okay.
is where I think the biggest difference there is. Uh, First, Surabaya.
Okay. In the Surabaya, we speak with a very strong accent, like the root language, like uh, not to.
Oh, the
Yeah.
Japanese language.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
so you don't have to adapt that many much because you can already speak Java, right?
Yes.
Japanese language.
Yes. The Krama Injil Java is so very, I think is softly Java. In the Surabaya we not use that the softly Java. We use the like Javanese, apa ya? Like kita tidak not use bahasa halus.
Oh, so bahasa halus means here is still Javanese, but maybe a bit smoother.
Yeah, smooth.
Oh,
In,
so yeah.
in Surabaya we use the root Javanese.
But for me personally, I think that I had to adapt to I had to adapt so much because even though my dad is from Java, is from Solo, but in my life, uh, on my 17 years of life, I never learned any Japanese language, so it's so hard to adapt the first time I arrived here because people are saying here that if you the direction first, many people here are directing me using the oh if you want to go here, go west or
Yes,
go
yes.
south. Yeah, I didn't understand that at first, and maybe I still didn't understand.
Same, same.
I still don't understand the direction thing
Yeah.
right now because people, yeah, most people in Jakarta or in Tangerang, South Tangerang, still uses go left, and personally for me really it's the easiest to understand, and the people too, yeah, is uh, I think it's a bit more friendlier here. It's yeah, in Yogyakarta people are more talkative for me. The tukang parkir,
Yes.
the food the food stall, the people who watches over the Indomaret. I think yeah, and I learned Japanese from the people too, and from friends in university. They taught me to use Japanese too, and right now I'm still getting used to it. But yeah, for me it's still hard to adapt.
Okay. Can you uh, say one sentence in Japanese what you learn
Uh,
1 years in here?
Koe neng di. That means
That means-
where are you right now?
Okay.
Yes, that's the only sentence I can say right now, and
Okay.
yeah, that's not much, right?
Okay.
That means I still gotta learn.
Okay.
Yes.
We move to the next topic. It's studying and cost of living in the Yogyakarta. What's the difference from Space City and Surabaya City?
The cost,
Yes.
yeah, of course lah. Many people
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
are calling Jogja is the food is really cheap, right? And I totally agree because in BSD City, it's around average food per portion lah. It's 25k to 30k. Uh,
Yes.
and in here, I can get full with only the price of 10 to 15k, and that's a really big difference in my opinion. And how about in
Okay.
Surabaya?
I think in Surabaya is the same from Jogja. Like the price is same. Like you buy fried fried rice is like 15k in the Surabaya to in 15k. So
Oh, so
not,
there's really not
yeah,
much difference.
no much different Surabaya and Jogja, I think.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So in the Yogyakarta is nice to studying here, like we have much library in Yogyakarta. We
Yes,
have
UGM.
yes, we
Library UGM.
have much cafe for studying.
I agree.
So in Yogyakarta, you what cafe you like in Yogyakarta?
Personally, for me, I like the Ekologi near Gejayan. It's really convenient and open for 24 hours, and there's not much cafe that open for 24 hours, 7 days a week. And yeah, that's my comfort space. But if not there, I prefer to study at my dorm because it's convenient and does not take my money if I study too much on it. And yeah, like that lah.
Yeah, I agree. So the conclusion is the Jogja is cold, and I think in the Jogja cost living is not pricey
Yes.
like Tangsel, BSD City, and in here Yogyakarta is the people is
Friendly.
yes, friendly and
Nice.
and the language is so soft.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you think like this?
Yeah, I agree with your conclusion.
Okay.
I think that's all that we have to talk about the difference in living between BSD and Jogja and Surabaya
Surabaya.
and Jogja. Yeah, that concludes all. I think that's all we can say about the difference. I'm sorry that if there's any wrong words that we thought. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Subiatmoko.
And I am Migi Dewan.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.